Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series of the job role Plumber Journal for class 10, unit 5, performing various plumbing related operations and procedures. In this video, you will learn about plan and schedule, routine maintenance, repair and modifications. So, student, let us begin with what is plan? Plans are a way for teams and project leaders to think about how they will approach the project, identify responsibilities and start to build a shared understanding among everyone involved. The way the work will be completed and when it will be completed are reflected in project schedule. Planning and scheduling maintenance and repair is critical to achieving an effective plumbing system operations and in turn the purpose of keeping costs down. The important points should be considered. Number 1. As per the manufacturer's recommendation, check the needs for repair or replacement requirement of plumbing items. Number 2. Read the existing warranties and services agreement made by the user prior to start maintenance or repair work. Number 3. Prepare the estimate cost of the work to be done and collect a quotation if required. Number 4. Collect the written approval of the work to be carried out by the concerned person. Number 5. Detailed information of the site must be collected and check the requirement of access to the site. Number 6. Identify and select the labor, tools and machinery required for activities. Number 7. Qualification and skill experience of manpower should be properly checked. Number 8. Availability of labor should be scheduled as per need. Number 9. Availability of tools and equipments. Machinery should be ensured as per work in the advance so that work does not suffer. Number 10. Prior approval for the concerned department should be taken so that there is no further disturbance during work. Number 11. Plan appropriate time for installation so that minimum disturbance of operation occurs. Number 12. Detailed information of weather should be collected so that contingency planning can be done. Number 13. Mention in detail about the schedule, jobs to be carried out in the work order and many more. Number 14. Submit the bill and final report of execution of work to the customer. So viewers, in this video we have learned about plan and schedule, routine maintenance, repair and modification. The important points are: plans are a way for teams and project leaders to think about how they will approach the project, identify responsibility, the way the work will be completed and when it will be completed are reflected in project schedule. Planning and scheduling maintenance and repair is critical to achieving an effective plumbing system operations and in turn the purpose of keeping cost down. So student, see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.